To do the fishbone stitch, bring your needle up on the top of your leaf and then go down to the center of your line. The stitch length depends on the look that you want to give to your leaf. Then come up slightly to the left and down, following the shape of your pattern, and you go down below the end of your previous stitch. This time, come up from the right side of the leaf, following the curved shape, and then back down to the central line, slightly below the last stitch that you did. Continue alternating the stitches, one on the left and one on the right, always coming down a bit below of your last stitch on the center line until you finish all your pattern. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my embroidery tutorials.